You know, she's a Filipina when she's eating like this. She puts her legs in a chair and then eat like that. And especially when she's doing this, it's very comfy, guys, eating by your hands. So you know that she's real Filipina when she does this. Okay? When she does like that. Good.